Okay, this is March 30th, 2011, and we're looking at the Eurodollar daily chart here. If you notice, we're trading barely inside the channel trend line again. We closed below it yesterday, and today we're trying to get back into the channel trend line. I believe if we close the daily, I'm not looking to trade at all until we see what the daily brings us. It's been a pretty choppy market today, as is normal for a few days before NFP, which is going to be released on Friday. But I think if we close below this upper green trend line, we'll be looking for ABC longs on the smaller time frames. And if we close below this red dotted trend line, we'll be looking to test the 50 EMA on this daily chart down here around the 3860, 3880 area, and maybe even lower, a little lower. So until we close tonight, I won't be trading. I haven't traded at all today in this choppy market. This is the 4-hour chart, and we have a bull flag. The bottom of the bull flag comes in at 39.80. Well, right about 39.77. We are still in the ABC long. I kind of thought we would come down here and test this lower channel trend line, but we haven't done that yet, so we may not do that. But this evening, after we have a new daily candle, we will be more clear on things, hopefully, on which direction we should trade. Once again, if we close above this green trend line, we'll be looking for ABC longs. That'll put us closing above the upper bull flag trend line on the 4-hour chart. If we close below it, then there's a very good possibility we'll test this 50 EMA, which will move up a bit on a new candle close, and could come in around the 4-hour bottom channel or bottom bull flag channel. So on an hourly basis, it's been just pretty choppy in here. Whenever I see price, this is the 50 and the 200 EMA. Whenever I see price just going up and down through it, and these moving averages not holding either way, that's choppy. And that's the market that I stay out of. That's a good way to lose any money that you've made last week or the last few days. But we have an upper trend line here, and again, a close above this green dotted trend line. If you're going to trade before a new daily candle, which I probably won't be, but if you decide to do that, a close above this green dotted trend line should help the price get up further, and below should help the price come down. But I will personally be looking at waiting to see a new daily candle. This market's just too choppy right now, and we need some kind of decent confirmation that we're either going to be going up or going to be going down, and this daily chart is what's going to probably tell us this. Now, if this daily remains like this and we don't have a close above or below, I'll stay out of the market during Asia also, and take a fresh look at it in the early morning Eastern Standard Time to see where we're at there. And this 15-minute chart, as we see, has just been pretty choppy. We closed above a trend line, now we're back below it. Up and down through this 50 and 200 EMA. This is not an environment that I trade in. So, but yeah, the daily chart's going to tell me tonight what I'm going to be trading. So, early Asia, I'll be looking at this and hopefully be able to decipher at that point the direction we need to be going. Join us in the chat room for current updates. That's about the only way I'll be putting that out there. It's much easier for me to do that in the chat room than to do blogs. So, okay, this is, oh, I want to point one other thing out here on this weekly chart. We're at the top of the trend line here, and holding pretty steady. If this weekly closes above this trend line, then we'll see D of the ABCD pattern there. If not, we may have a decent size pullback at the end of the week, and non-farm payroll will give us probably an idea of what we'll be doing next week. Okay, so this is March 30th, 2011.